Yo, ATM squad, welcome back to the channel. What I got for you guys today is single woman picks a date based on their stir fry. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit the like button, join the Discord. Discord link is at the top of the description, so make sure you guys are in there and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. But yo, let's get into this video. Let's get it. Let's go. Bros could have looked up a simple YouTube video just to get right for this girl, but no. The easiest tool is on your phone, man. You fumbled.
I feel like you don't know how to cook and you just maybe cook to survive. I would absolutely hate a dinner date over at your house.
Damn.
We're gonna have to go therapy after this. Bro, we're gonna have to go to therapy after this.
Oh, babe, what's for dinner tonight? Like, can you cook, please? Me cook? Do you not have arms? You can cook.
What y'all think about that? Because I would not be with a woman who does not cook, man. Not cook, man. She has to really be able to enjoy cooking to be with me. Because, like, listen, I'm not cooking a damn thing. Nah, I cook. No, I wouldn't. I'm sorry. I wouldn't. I wasn't even going to pretend to act like I would. I wouldn't. I'm too busy working. That's it. I want to stay at home wife. That's what I want. Get back to the video.
This is giving me.
Why is it going to go there, though?
There's nothing special about it.
Damn.
You just said noodles, shrimp, chicken,
Stirred it up.
one little sauce.
She's on a rampage.
Do you know what's mad? There's so much things in it.
There's no way that this is jerk seasoning. I get the honey because it's sweet, but I don't get no jerk. Like, I don't know where the jerk came from.
Saying you misread the jar and put something. Saying you can't read, man.
If you were gonna do that, you could have added a little fire, a little Scotch bonnet, a little something, just to, poof.
So, what colour are we wearing to the wedding, though?
Should we not clash with you? Do you want us to match?
Yeah.
I feel like you tried, but you didn't really know what you was doing. I think you put it into a pan and said, let's hope for the best.
See, listen, for this video, I would have became Chef Ramsay. Man, I would have made the best meal ever. But nah, bro in a white shirt did his thing, man. I told y'all.
Bro. Guys, my heart.
I feel like you'd probably be a lot of fun.
Okay, all right. Okay. We got someone. A win is a win.
But apart from that, I feel like it would be heartbreak down the line.
That's already broken. Yeah, it's already broken.
Dish-wise, it's like a question mark.
She's intrigued. Curiosity killed the cat.
Not the jerk and the honey.
I felt a heartbreak before. No, it was my first stir fry. I made for her. And she didn't appreciate it. But she said the question mark thing, so, open relationship, there could still be time. You're always a winner if you try your best. We're going therapy, though, after this, cuz.
That was dish number 3, and it is finally time to make a decision on who I feel like wins.
We already know.
Dish number 1, he really did try, and I love a gesture. That little heart was the cutest thing ever. I'm a romantic, so that was definitely for me, but it was definitely given basic. Dish number 2, this guy knows what he is doing. However, he seems like a guy that plays it a little bit safe. I want some excitement, some spice, je ne sais quoi. Dish number 3, first time for everything, so congratulations on your first time. Even though he's already made me laugh, I just feel like that laughter will turn into tears down the line, and I'm not sure if I'm ready for that. So now it's time for me to make my decision.
I think she's gonna go with number 2.
In third place is dish number 3.
Gave her everything.
Bro.
Just because I feel like the caliber that's been delivered, I just couldn't put you anywhere higher.
I gave you my first.
It was actually very poor. It's bare minimum.
No, not bare minimum.
She's still ripping into it.
It would have been more.
You could tell she's not feeling them at all. When a girl got her arms crossed like this, man, she's just blocking herself off.
If you don't like spice and I put too much and then it's mad.
Daring, be daring.
I'm scared to chat to her, You know what she wants.
Okay, well, it was lovely to meet you.
Thank you.
At least you got the hug, though.
And now it's not your first, so hopefully for the next girl.
I'm not giving my heart to anyone again. My heart, it's long now.
He's got a great vibe. I think he matched the dish in the sense of he's cheeky for even plating me that. And he's got a cheeky personality as well. My thought process is, do I go with my heart or do I go with my head? I hate myself right now. Oh my God. What do you think? Stab it. In second place goes to dish number 2.
Dang.
I can't believe it.
Underdogs on top.
I don't believe it.
Now I know you guys are thinking, what the hell?
Got me by
Are you
surprise.
okay? Are you dumb? Maybe I am dumb. But I feel like I know myself, and I'll take that excitement and those little lovely little gestures over safe energy.
My dish would have looked like this number 2.
Hi.
How's it going? How are you?
I'm Madam.
How's it?
Oh my God.
That's really...
Yeah, amazing. It's okay.
She's
looking
regretting.
at her husband.
She's regretting.
You hate me. You hate
No,
me,
no,
don't
no,
you?
not even. You ain't getting that full massage though.
Yeah, let her know, man. Let her know.
You are a great cook, and you're really good looking, by the way. You're super handsome, like literally chef's kiss.
You're making me blush.
She didn't say that about you.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Do you think you're a bring home to mum kind of person?
I was gonna tell you this up for you to decide, but I ain't number one.
First move.
Yeah, he's got too much sauce.
Thank you. It was so lovely to meet you.
Enjoy.
Take
Thank
care. I still might have to get your number at the end of it. He was so sexy. What the hell? Oh, sorry. He was fire. It makes like perfect sense. He's so well put together.
Bro,
Look,
better
please,
bag her up after
but
the
I did
vid.
Get the safe
We'll see.
side from him a little bit as well. All right, number one, you better come with energy. Otherwise, I'll cry. I'll actually cry. Hi. I'm Max.
Congratulations.
I loved the heart. The heart was cute.
I told you to have an open mind, and I gave you a little, so you would be wanting more, and I'm glad that that came through. So you said it tasted of plastic, and then you ate more, so I wanted to know why are you eating plastic?
Tell her, Max.
Winners win.
Because I had to give like a, a genuine kind of look at.
liked it.
So why are you trying to challenge me already? Are you trying to challenge me already? Max feels like he's gonna give me like a run for my money. Like I feel like it literally is his dish. He's gorgeous. He's got these gorgeous eyes. And he's tall, so definitely a little bit of me. He's got the cuteness in him, but he's gonna put up a fight. Like we're gonna get into it. I like things, a little bit difficult, a little bit hard, a little bit. I think it just gives it a little bit of character.
Oh, I can't believe it. How did she pick me first? I can't believe it, but I'm gassed. I can't believe it. She's a lot nicer in person than she is on camera. She's nice, seemed genuine, seemed fun, seemed happy. I'm a bit worried by her decision making because I've somehow ended up first.
Where your confidence at, man?
Are you gonna exchange numbers?
Yes.
No.
Ooh, what?
I was gonna
was
say yes
not
until I saw
expecting
you and
that.
Isaac. Like I don't know how you put him second. I can't lie.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Dang, where's his confidence at, bro? How do you fumble this? She's like a solid 8.59, man. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh.
That's a shocking decision.
She's going mad. She's going mad.
That says something's not right.
You thinking something's not right in my head? So me trying to get your actual effort is not right?
Hey, Max, you're the man.
This
You
dude's
never learn. I hope you learn from
clueless.
this. I hope you
Learn
learn
what?
that you had the best thing possible on a plate and you
Okay.
chose a love heart chicken.
This dude cannot be for real.
One.
I want you to improve as a person, and I don't think that was. The
And
right
you
choice.
think you're the lesson for me to improve as a person?
Nah, she's done. She's sour.
Yeah, when you go home tonight, you're gonna think about,
about it.
damn, I had this on a plate and I chose this.
Max is the GOAT.
If you enjoyed this video, then please go and check out the rest of the videos on this channel.
I don't even know what to say.
Actually-
I'm gonna end off this video right here. I catch you guys in the next one. Tune in, never tune out. Remember, every day you have a choice. Truth, growth. It's your boy ATM, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.